what's up everybody? Today we're going to learn about printing and variables. First, let's get started with variables. Variables is how we store data. So variables is how we store data, just like I said. And so let's try to get our first variable. So how do we make a variable? First, we define the variable's name. So for example, we say my first variable. Okay, so we created our first variable. Okay, so why is there error? Just try to run it. My first variable is not defined because, just like I said, is how we store data. So that means we want to store a data. We haven't stored something yet. If you want to store something, we use equals and what we want to store. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can also use text. But if you want to use text, you need to use speech marks. Real. Let's just try to insert true. Okay. Now let's run it. Nothing happened. Why did nothing happen? Well, okay, so first, Python has already created our variable, and we stored joking in it. But why have anything happened? It's because we haven't do anything. What our only code is, we just store this to my first variable. We haven't put it out, put it in the console, which is this. Okay, so if you want to print it out on the console, we will use another code called printing, which I will introduce in this episode. If you want to print something or text, you just say print with parentheses, round parentheses, and speech marks again. Joking. We just print, but we can also do we can put my first variable in. Okay, so when you run it, it will work. So why does it work? So first, we want to print my first variable. Without speech mark, that means it is not a text. It is a variable or something we want to calculate. And okay, so first Python search a variable called my first variable. So it searched until it found it. My first variable, it found it. Okay, so we want to print it. So it won't just print my first variable because this is a variable. It wants to see what is stored inside. What is stored inside is joking. So when we print my first variable, of course it will run joking. Okay, so printing can do many things than that. We could print 1 plus 1, 2, and then we can print text. Hello world. etc. Why is it running? It's loading maybe? Yep, it's loading. Let me refresh the page. Never mind. Nah, but it will still work, but it's my computer's, yeah. There we go. We can also store many things, etc. Okay, so another thing we can store in variables. Let's just do hello. We can also store booleans, which is only true and false. True, true, or false. Let's run it. Okay, so there's a file main.py, so it's our file main.py. Line 2 is module hello equal false. Yeah, false is not defined. Well, a boolean is not kind of like that. If you want to, well, it's similar, but if you want to put a boolean, you have to do it like this. Hello equal true, capitals T, or false. That's wrong. Yeah, there's no errors. Now let's try to print hello equal. Oh, sorry, it's a typo. False. And we can also. Okay, so we can also replace a variable. So like maybe like before it's yes, hello, and then we print it. Now we can like exchange it with another one. We exchange the data. Hello equal, we change it. Hi, I am new boss gaming. We can replace it. Now let's try to print it. Hello. So we print hello after it's been replaced. So one should be yes hello and one should be hi, I am NeoBoss Gaming. Let's run it. Yes, hello, hi, I am NeoBoss Gaming. Okay, so now let's try to print something like hello, I am Neo. I am a programmer. Okay, so if we run it, it'll work. But what if we want to add a line? Like, it will be like this. Okay, let's try. There's an error. We can't do that. So we have to add another thing, which is called /n. /n only means center. Hello, I am Neo. /n means center. I am a programmer. And we can also do /t, which means tab. Hello, I am Neo. I am a programmer. This word is tab. And in variables, we can ask something. Let's try it. What's your name. What's your name? So we can ask. Okay? So nothing happens. Well, this is just a regular. You need to put something in the data stage.
Yeah.
When you put input, which means we want to ask something, parentheses,
Okay.
what we want to ask. Now it will print this and we can answer it. Neil. Or New Boss Gaming. Or something. Just add space. Here. There you go. That's not New Boss Gaming. Done. Now, New Boss Gaming is stored inside. Print your name. That's right. For example, so it'll print whatever what we answer this because when we ask, it's been stored in your name variable. Name. Okay, so let's just add a new text. Nice name. Neo.
Gue juga belum import dalam, which is kalau dari sisi secara konteks rekon yang dikerjaan benar-benar banyak
plus. So if you want to add another string, another variable, etc., you need to add plus.
Admin dan
or
banyak
you can add
yang nggak align sama finance gitu, kayak nggak gitu tahu gitu kan, fokusnya adjust ini apa nggak konteks ke partner bagian kan sih dari sisi kopi itu jadinya gitu.
Okay, so that will be it for this video, and I thank you everyone for watching, and goodbye.